Kung napapansin nyo, kakalaunch lang nito ng June 1 ng PK Audio by Platinum at isa ito sa mga newest additions nila sa party speaker lineup. As a dance group, malaking parte ng routine namin ang music from warm-ups, rehearsals hanggang actual performances. And today, we'll show you how we're using the AK420 Bluetooth party speaker during our training session and team bonding moments.
The first thing you notice is the sound. With 170W RMS at 3,400 PMPO, malinaw at malakas ang audio kahit buong team ang nagre-rehearse. Kaya naming marinig ang bawat hawak mong beat at cue kahit nagpa-practice or nag-warm up.
Dancers, timing is everything. Importante na malinaw ang aming naririnig para synchronize ang bawat galaw. The AK420 helps us sneak in during rehearsals.
8, 7, galong 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8.
Isa rin sa pinaka-useful na feature nito para sa amin ang microphone input. Instead na sumisigaw ang aming leader habang nagtuturo, mas malinaw namin siyang naririnig gamit ang microphone.
May bass fizz EQ rin para mas maramdaman ang energy ng music, lalo na kapag high energy routines at performance pieces ang ginagawa natin.
At syempre, hindi puro practice lang. Kapag break time at tapos ng practice, ginagamit namin ang Tango karaoke player with over 24,000 licensed songs.
May built-in LED lights din nagbibigay ng mas lively atmosphere para sa rehearsal space, team celebrations, at syempre hangout after practice.
Ikaw na, last card. Ako na.
Going naman?
Oo nga eh. Gamitin natin yung bagong speaker ng Platinum.
Hindi lang siya para sa mga rehearsals. Perfect din ito para sa team outings, gatherings, events, at iba't iba pang activities kasama pamilya or ang barkada. For us, the AK420 is more than just
It helped us during our rehearsals
support our training sessions.
and gives us extra entertainment after every practice.
This is the AK420 Bluetooth party speaker from PK Audio by Platinum. See you in our next performance.